had a very interesting weekend. Started off, we went to Cabrillo National Monument. It's got a lighthouse and tide pools and some history of the area.
Okay, thank you.
The water level on the tide pools is crazy low right now, so there's an amazing amount of people. We had to go like 3 parking lots down the coast in order just to walk to it. So we will get there and check it out. We made some new friends, Rob and Shelby. So tonight we are excited. We get to have dinner with Rob and Shelby and their family. And Chris and Shelby actually met in the laundry room the other week, and she recognized us from the vlog, from the YouTube channel. So we're gonna enjoy playing a few games and apparently having a good time and some good food. So that's the plan for tonight. Having a bit of rain for the last couple of days. This is the road into the RV park, so I don't think we're going anywhere tonight. It's always such a blessing to meet up with another full-time family. There's just so many levels that you kind of understand and get each other. So what a blessing it was to hang out with them tonight. So then it just kept raining and water just kept flowing out of the mountains, and we ended up getting stuck here at the RV park for a few days. So yeah, we just made the best of it and enjoyed our time here. Matt and I are checking out the floods that have been happening. Last night when we had dinner with Shelby and Rob, the rains just kept coming, and now everything that's coming down from the mountains, it just flooded out the roadways. So we're actually stuck here in the park. There's no way out that way. The road is flooded. And the road the other direction, I guess there's a car stuck in the middle. I guess there was only a couple of inches of water showing over the hood. So what do you do on a day where you're flooded and can't get out?
You watch the water.
Exactly. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll catch you next time.